Hello, welcome to Learnovative Agile and Scrum video series. Our vision is to make learning special. These videos help you to understand the concepts through easy and simple ways and boost your knowledge and confidence to apply these concepts at your workplace. My name is Vijay Bandaru. I am a certified Scrum trainer and certified Agile and leadership coach. I conduct Scrum Alliance certification workshops and also help organizations in their Agile transformation journey. In this video, we are going to learn what is a product and what are different levels of a product and what are the life cycle stages of a product. People in their daily lives, they use some tasks or jobs and activities. For example, going to bank and deposit or withdraw some cash, or going to school and to drop the kids at school, or picking them at the evening, or communicating with friends. These are some examples of jobs, tasks, and activities. Over a period of time, they find some pains in doing those activities or jobs or tasks, or they want to have some gains in doing those jobs, tasks, and activities effectively. Eventually, these pains and gains will become needs or interests or expectations or even concerns. So, somebody will create a solution to address these needs, wants, or desires, or interests and concerns. So, that solution can be an application or a physical product or even a service. For example, we use mobile phone, so that is a product, and various applications you use inside the mobile phone is an example of an application, mobile application. That means any product primarily focus on solving a problem or fulfilling a need. That means no problem or need, no product exists. Now let's discuss what are the different levels of a product. As we just discussed, every product primarily focuses on a core benefit. For example, a core benefit for pen is writing, a core benefit for car is transportation, a core benefit for television is entertainment. So the first level of the product is called as generic product, which will have the features which will just focus on the fulfilling the core benefits. When you launch the generic product into the market, people start having some expectations. So that will become expected product. And the next level is called as augmented product. The difference between expected and augmented is beyond expectations. The expected product features can be easily identified because people will explain them and people will tell you we want this in the product. But augmented, you have to do user research or you have to identify by interacting with the users. The last level is called as potential product, which is for the future generations. For example, when a car was invented few hundred years back, they wouldn't have envisaged that there will be a day where there will be a need for driverless cars. Now what we are seeing now. So that's called a potential product. Let's take an example, a simple example to understand these product levels. In the example, we are taking mobile cover is the product, and what is the core benefit of a mobile cover? Protection for the mobile. So here you are seeing in this picture right hand side, you are seeing a mobile cover. It's called a generic product which provides protection to the mobile. So when you launch this product into the market, people will have some expectations. For example, I'm an iPhone user. Now my iPhone logo is covered because of this product, so I feel some dissatisfaction. At the same time, if I want to take some pictures, the camera is covered by this cover, so I have to remove the cover whenever I want to take a picture. So it is creating some kind of discomfort again. So to address the dissatisfaction and discomfort, we have a product enhanced with having a hole at the camera based on the camera location and number of cameras, and also showing the logo. So this is expected product example. The next level is augmented. The augmented is, as a product owner, when I observe some people using this product, let's say there are some users use their mobile phone to watch YouTube or other videos for a longer duration. So they are holding their mobile phone in the hands. So in order to create some kind of comfort, we add a stand kind of thing for the mobile cover so that they don't need to hold the mobile phone while they are watching the videos. Also, some of the users are using some credit cards, debit cards. So if we create a couple of slots to the mobile cover, they can safely put them into the cards, and whenever they want to use them, they can easily put them instead of pulling from their wallet. So the augmented product has these two features, acting as a stand as well as holding couple of cards. The next level, the last level, is called potential product, wherein the mobile cover is acting as a solar based charging for the mobile phone, which may be for the future generations. So this can be a simple example to understand the four levels: generic product, expected product, augmented product, and potential product. Now let's take a look at what are the different stages in product life cycle. So it starts with an idea to solve a problem or to fulfill a particular need, and you will create the product. While you are creating the product, there may be different approaches. One can be a big bang approach. You spend a long time and release at once, or there can be iterative and incremental approach where you deliver on release products in terms of bits and pieces, and introduce, which is also called as launch, and then to some time it will show growth, because as and when you are adding new features, there will be a growth, and then at some point of time it will reach mature, and finally the product comes to the retire. There will be various reasons for retiring a product. Maybe the profits it's not making, operational expenses is more than the revenue it is generating, or the core benefit is not satisfied by the current version of the product, or cannibalization. That means the current product features are available in a different feature. For example, iPod is no longer exists because the iPod features are available in iPhone and iPad. So this is an example of retiring the product. So if you look at the value curve of this product life cycle, so it steadily grows during the growth period, and after some time it gets into the mature state. That means even though you are adding new features to the product, it will not grow forever. That means it's not infinite growth. So even though you are adding some new features, at some point of time the value curve gets into stagnated. What is the reason? So the reason is, there's a Pareto rule. 20% of the features will contribute to the 80% of the overall product value. That means as long as you focus on the first 20% of the features which will be contributing to the overall 80% value, after that you are adding bells and whistles, nice to have. Maybe the implementation and maintenance cost for those features will be higher than the revenue they add to the product. So that means you are spending more time, more effort, more cost to build those features than the value that they are generating. That is why the value curve becomes stagnated. So as a product owner, you need to focus on the 20% of the features that will add to the 80% of the value, overall value of the product. There's one agile principle, number 10, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. So you need to identify the features which are more valuable and which can be developed and released in the less cost. You have to identify in the early days of your product life cycle so that you will start seeing return on investment. So this is the product life cycle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful. I'll be creating more short videos on various concepts and uploading to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you once again.